That's a big bucket of water. That looks so wrong.
The other one was even bigger.
Really?
In the polka dot room.
Oh, really?
I haven't even looked at the floor.
Did you guys let it loose yet?
Yeah.
How'd you do it? Just like let it loose, or?
That's how we're doing this one.
How much water came out of it? Oh shit.
Is it dripping?
Making a crater. It's peeing.
Well, that was that little one.
I know.
This is gonna be the fun one. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
For this next one, I wouldn't really take it. Guess it does. Because if you take it off on that side, it's gonna go all over the mirrors.
Here, might just like push it up, and then just spill the water out at the end over there.
No, you guys just relax over there, okay?
I'm not saying anything at all.
Just relax.
I didn't say anything. I'm just suggesting.
Take it easy.
Just suggesting. Oh shit.
As it drops.
We better should stand back.
Timber.
Oh crap! Oh, oh shit!
Oh my god.
There's still some left
Did
in
you
there.
get it?
I think so. I don't know. I went trying to jump out the window. I got a nail in my side of my leg.
I like how I was expecting to come down there and I'm like,
yeah, me too.
"Whoa."
Holy shit! I think there's still some in it.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's just timber. That's unimportant. No, 'cause